Check out this clever hack. I needed to connect two hoses, but one was way too thin and the other way too thick. So here's what I did. First, I connected the thinner hose, then slid the thicker one over it, creating a perfect overlap. To make sure there were no leaks, I wrapped it tightly with electrical tape. And to finish, I secured it all with a clamp, making it as solid as a rock. The result? A strong, leak-free connection without spending a single cent on an adapter. There you go. Another simple trick that solves a big problem.